All right, so it's that time of year where it's tune-up season. We're hitting a lot of tune-ups every day. We're hitting them hard. And today I'm going to show you kind of what we go through here in the attic. When I get up here, I always check the filter first. We want to make sure it's clean, free of any dust. This one's a little dirty, so we'll go ahead and replace it. And another thing we like to do up here is check the temperature split across the evaporators. So we'll check the temperature right here in the return plenum, and then we'll go over here to the supply plenum and we'll check what the temperature is putting out of the ducts. So we're here on the supply side of the plenum, which is sending the air out to your rooms. And I'm checking the temperature here to make sure we have a 20-degree split from what the air is sucking into the system from the return plenum. Another very important thing we like to check on spring tune-ups are if you have a float switch safety device here. Now, if your pan fills up with water, the switch is going to come up and cut the unit off, so you can't potentially get flooding damage. All right, so now we're on the outdoor unit, and it's a very important part of the spring checkup. This is your main part of your AC. Out here, we check all the electrical components in here to test the capacitor, make sure it's still rating a good capacitance. Check the contactor here. Make sure it's working, not chattering too much, no signs of obvious damage to it. And another big thing that we do out here is we check the coil and we clean it every spring tune-up just to make sure there's no dirt and leaves in these fins, because that'll kind of restrict the airflow out here. All right, so if you haven't had your spring tune-up yet this year, give us a call before it's too hot.